Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade, like always. So let's get started. So first of all, we are having a news at 6 p.m. So be cautious. Yes, of course, because it is a high impact news. So it is not idle for the lower time frame trades. So let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and what we can see is that as I had anticipated that the price can possibly make equal lows over here, and then we are going to tap this BPR. So we have already tapped this BPR, and if you have not seen this video regarding this BPR tap, you can see my previous videos on the channel. So let's move to the weeklies to see what do we have in here. As we move into the weekly levels, what we can see is that we have swept this high. We were sweeping this previous highs of the candle, which is a sign of weakness already. And what we have here is we are having this unmitigated FVG. So the most recent area where the price can actually tap is this FVG, and I'm anticipating that most likely the price is going to move down and mitigate this FVG. So our drawn liquidity will be this low. So let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the daily, we can see that the daily actually complements the higher time frame narrative. That is, we are not having any kind of FVG into the current structure. And apart from that, one more area is over there. That is, we are having this slight BPR which is unmitigated by the market. So most likely the price can come down to mitigate this BPR. So if you want to know why this BPR is important, you can see my previous video for that too. So let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, we can see that the BPR is being complemented by this all mitigated moves. So most likely the price can come down till this BPR. But before that, let's see if we have any hurdles in between these legs. So let's move to the 4 hours now. As we move into the 4 hours, what we can see is that each and every FVG is mitigated by the market now. That is, let's mark it here. This FVG is mitigated. This FVG is also mitigated by the market. Okay. So now that we are not having anything which is unmitigated in the market, all of these things turns into liquidity. Let's mark it like this. Okay, this disappeared. So I'll be just entering it as dollar. So now that we know that these all are sitting liquidities, we need to have a point from where the price is going to move into the downward side. So what we have here is this is unmitigated FVG in the price, and we are having equal highs. Let's mark it like this. So this equal high can possibly act as an engineered liquidity, and the price is going to return back, mitigate this level, and then we are going to go all the way down till this weekly levels. So let's move to the 2 hours to see what do we have in here. So as we move into the 2 hours, we can see that there's a FVG which is complementing the higher time frame BPR. So let's move to the higher time frame FVG actually. So we are having this BPR in the price right now, which is a huge BPR, and I'm anticipating that most likely the price can tap this BPR, and then we are going to go into the downward side. Let's mark it as green color. So now I'm anticipating that the price can possibly come down, mitigate something over here. We are going to come up, and then we are going to go all the way down till this level, which is the first target is this one, which is a weekly FVG, and the next target is this daily BPR. So let's move to the 1 hours to see what do we have in here. So as we move into the 1 hours, the 1 hour is complementing the 2 hour move, and apart from that, we are having this low, which is kind of a strong low for now. So I'm anticipating that if we have anything unmitigated over here, most likely price is going to mitigate it, move up, and then we are going to tap here and then go down. So let's move to the 15 minutes to define our bias. So as we move into the 15 minutes, let's move to the 30 minute first. So as we move into 30 minutes, what we see is that we are having this BPR, and most likely the price is going to come down, mitigate it, and then we are going to go above, mitigate this London, Asia, uh, London, New York, and Asia equal highs, and then tap here, and then continue the journey towards the downward side. So for today's bias, I am in this possible trade plan. So this is it. The other scenario can be by taking all of these equal highs, and then the price is going to mitigate here again, and then we are going to go down. But still, our doll will be this, and I'm bearish into the market. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.